Hey guys, today we're down in Lafayette. I am visiting Youngsville. I am visiting my sister and my niece and nephew and my brother-in-law. Today, since we didn't have anything planned, we are going to go check out one of the state parks that is sort of close to where they live. So y'all come go with us.
Located south of Abbeville, Louisiana, Palmetto Island State Park is the newest addition to the Louisiana State Park system, which opened in 2010. It includes 95 campsites, 6 cabins, 4 pavilions, and picnic sites placed throughout the park, and much, much more.
Look, there's a pig, y'all.
Today we are watching a little hog look for stuff to take.
I'm having a video through the window because if I put the camera outside right now after it rained, it fogs up. But we were just driving down the road in Palmetto State Park. Toby's going crazy in the truck, and hogs came out on the side of the road.
Big pig,
Piggy pig.
porky, piggly wiggly.
Oh, he's getting spooked.
Curly Q is leaving.
I think he hears Toby whining.
How about we name him Bacon?
Can I name him Bacon?
Toby whining. You can name him Bacon.
This is one of the pavilions that they have. This is a very nice pavilion. They have picnic tables, and they have fans that you can turn on to keep the heat off of you, and the mosquitoes. It's very nice. They also have lights. So if you're here and it's dark,
Hi.
but a very nice pavilion.
This is what my Nana's dog did to me.
And Raptor up.
Silly dog.
Little trailways that lead to the road.
Come on, Toby. Oops.
This is the day use area. We have picnic tables around. Apparently Toby sees something. Squirrel.
You done? Oh, jeez.
Come on. Ooh. Come on, Toby. They have a splash pad here that all the kids are having a great time at. Unfortunately, I think their time is fixing to get cut short because there's a thunderstorm coming in. So we're gonna hurry and run through the park real quick, give you a tour, and then we're gonna come back so maybe the kids can have a little fun at the splash pad. playground. So we're driving through the campground looking for our future spot where we want to come down here and camp. But I also wanted to give y'all a little look-see at what the campground looks like. There is quite a bit of wildlife in this park. We've already seen a doe with her fawn. We have seen 2 hogs and plenty of squirrels. Also, we have seen signs that say this is a very active black bear area, that you cannot leave food out, and also they don't want you to have food in tents. Most of the camping pads are gravel. They do have a few that are paved camping pads, but for the most part, they're gravel. The picnic table, fire ring, a tent pad. They do not have sewage here, sewage hookups. They do have a dump station, however. There is plenty of shade. There are trees everywhere. There is a larger playground up close to the splash pad, and these are the couple of sites I said that were paved. Nice big sites, plenty of room to back into. And I understand now why they call it Palmetto State Park. This is the reason why this park is named Palmetto State Park. Those long leafy plants right there. Well, that is called a palmetto. Now, what'd you say, Bray? They're very pointy.
Like fans.
They do look like fans, but they are everywhere in this park, and I mean everywhere. There's some more. That is why this park is named Palmetto State Park, because these palmettos grow wild here in the state of Louisiana, and they grow very thick. The animals love to get in there and hide. Station. I'm gonna do a bathroom tour. Then you come into the restroom. in the campground, or comfort station as it's called. They have a screened-in porch area where you can come sit, and they also have Coke vending machines. A laundry area, big sinks, and they also have a swap-a-book station. Look how cool that is. Fold-in tables. Very nice area. Let's see how clean the restrooms are. And of course it starts raining. Yep, I don't know if you can see, but I am soaking wet right now. This just happened. I was fixing to go into the restroom and it started pouring, and the windows were down in the truck. So I had to run out in the rain to roll the windows up. Yay. So we're gonna go into the restroom. See what it looks like in here. Hoping nobody's in here, though we're talking to the camera. It's a nice state park restroom. With showers and a bench. Nice shower setup. You even have a handicap stall that is nice and comfortable. Very nice showers. Very well cleaned. It's raining today. We wanted to go on them, but I don't know if it's going to start pouring or not. Mother Nature says no. Mother Nature says no. That's right. Meredith, you have on water shoes. Yeah, don't get too close to the water.
That's probably where the alligators are going to be. I see one gator. See that big ripple that's coming towards us right now? There's a gator right there.
So I'm filming with my phone right now because it's raining off and on, and the trail down here, and you had to walk through the trees, and it was dripping water everywhere. We didn't want to get that on our good camera. We are at Evangeline Pond here in Palmetto State Park. You can canoe, kayak, but you better beware of the gators. Gator. So we're just down here looking around. This day is not going how we planned. We had planned on, coming down to the park. Braden brought his bike walk the nature trails and things like that, but it's raining off and on, so I got soaked a while ago, which is why my hair looks like it does. And we're just gonna check out what this is, and then we're gonna go get some lunch. Brain's trying to catch a dragonfly.
Yeah, it's supposed to be there kind of way. Hope to scare mine away when I want to get away from me. Get on the thing.
Oh, look, you landed on me. Right where?
Might just be grass. Looks like it.
I don't see anything, Meredith. I'm sure they're in there, though.
That is stuff. Right there. That is stuff. Right there in the middle.
Nope, that would be a gator.
He's a gator.
Mm-hmm.
I can't see him. He's hungry for lunch. He's probably gonna eat us. Wow.
Just got another notification on my phone and another storm's coming. So we're gonna head back to the truck and go pick up some lunch. I don't know yet. We'll see.
How about we eat from the vending machine?
No, we'll see. Anyway, we'll catch y'all later.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also, ring that bell to get notifications of new videos to come. Remember, get outdoors and enjoy. Have a blessed day.